Luanda Villa, Vihiga United kod 3KFC noyudo loch tuke mag lig mar NSL giko odira. Kibra All Stars, Fortune Sacco, Sam West Black Boots kod Nairobi United duto nowuok amodhi. Luanda Villa noloyo SSAD 2-0. Vihiga United loyo Nzoia Sugar 3-0. Stima 3KFC noloyo Mombasa United 2-0.
The game was fine. It was a game of two giants trying to fight for the points. Kibera Black Stars is a respectable team. Very good technically in terms of the players that they have, the technical bench that they have, and even the position that they have in the table tells it all. So for us to come here and come out with the 1 point, it's a plus for us going to the next games which are ahead of us.
Our intention was to get the maximum points, so we have to go back to the drawing board and strategy as well, and make sure the next match we have to win. There's no any other way.